Tezos is a decentralized, open-source blockchain network that can execute peer-to-peer transactions and serve as a platform for deploying smart contracts. The native cryptocurrency for the Tezos blockchain is the TZ, which is the symbol XTZ. As of January 2021, there are over 400 block validating nodes on the Tezos network. The vast majority of transactions currently happening on Tezos today, though, are mostly to maintain consensus and are not for more substantive operations, such as executing smart contracts, even though the network has the capacity to handle many more transactions. The Tezos network achieves consensus using a liquid proof-of-stake model. Tezos features an on-chain governance model that allows the protocol to amend itself when upgrade proposals receive a favorable vote from the community. This feature allows Tezos to avoid hard forks that other blockchains have to contend with. Tezos was first proposed in a white paper published in 2014. Its testnet was launched in June 2018, and its mainnet went live in September 2018. Tezos received media attention for its initial coin offering in July 2017, which was the largest to date at $232 million, and for the subsequent public disagreements between its founders and the non-profit Tezos Foundation that was set up to manage the raised funds. Those disagreements led to delays in the deployment of Tezos, which caused investors in the project to bring lawsuits against its founders and the Tezos Foundation. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Tezos is a decentralized ledger that makes use of blockchain technology. Like Ethereum, Tezos is designed to make use of smart contracts. The term Tezos is ancient Greek for smart contract, according to the developers. However, Tezos goes beyond previous offerings. It takes the smart contract concept one step further by letting participants directly control the rules of the network. Tezos is intended to be an evolving network. This flexibility is seen as a crucial aspect of the system. In particular, the lack of flexibility and scalability in Bitcoin has created numerous difficulties and growing pains. Ethereum has grown in large part because of its flexibility, and Tezos continues in that direction. Tezos was designed by Waymo engineer Arthur Brightman, who had previously worked at Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley as a quantitative analyst. In August and September 2014, respectively, Brightman released the Tezos position paper and white paper. Brightman wrote the two papers under the pseudonym L.M. Goodman in reference to the author of a notorious article in Newsweek magazine claiming to have located Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin. Together with his wife Kathleen, Arthur contracted French firm Mecanapro to help develop the software. In August 2015, the Brightmans founded a company called Dynamic Ledger Solutions to support the project's development. In April 2017, the Tezos Foundation was chartered in Zug, Switzerland, as a non-profit with a mandate to provide support to Tezos and related technologies. In July 2017, the Tezos Foundation raised $232 million in a fundraiser and became one of the biggest ICOs of the 2017 cryptocurrency boom. Notably, Billionaire investor Tim Draper was a participant in backing Tezos ICO. The Tezos Foundation subsequently faced a management controversy about the use of raised funds by Foundation President Joan Jeeves. Joan Jeeves resigned on February 22, 2018. In July 2018, the foundation announced that PricewaterhouseCoopers Switzerland branch would conduct an audit of the organization's finances and operations. The result of the audit has not been published. In August 2020, the Tezos founders and the Tezos Foundation settled the lawsuits against them, alleging unauthorized sale of a security for $25 million paid by the Tezos Foundation.